Okay, we're in the interface chapter. We just briefly this past Friday introduced ourselves to interfaces, and now we're going to do a little lab that requires us to implement or to realize an interface. Okay, so it's here on page 8 of our chapter. We've got an interface called linear function methods and a tester they give us. So I've got that code nice, I think, for you on the website. Here's linear function methods, which I'll just copy. And put into BlueJ. Okay, and that should compile as soon as you do it. I'm going to go ahead and indent these lines by hitting F6 when I highlight them, make it a little nicer. That compiles. So that's our interface, public interface linear function methods. And then the tester is given to us in the book as well. So I put it in a Google Doc for us. Here is the tester. All right. I'll put that in BlueJ. I'll indent to make it look decent. All right, now this is not going to compile because it's making objects of this type linear function. Linear function. Okay, so it's not going to compile. Now, without even thinking much, we know we have to write a linear function class. So I'm going to start that. I got two things called tester. Okay. So linear function is my new class. And I know what I got to do to get it to compile. I don't know what the project directions really say at this point. Okay. But I do know that this thing is going to realize the interface, as the author used this morning in lecture, realize or implement. So implements linear function methods. Okay, so if it implements that interface, it's got to have all that interface's methods. So now I copy and paste those signatures. Okay, into this class. Now, besides putting the word public in front, I don't really know what to do unless I think about the problem. So I'm going to pause the video here and lecture to period 3 on what this thing is all about. Okay, and I'll get right back to you and continue the video.